Hello everyone. In the second part of the glass modeling tutorial, we are going to look at how to create softer edges. And for that, we have to create a double-sided mesh. So what we created last class was this, and we had a bevel modifier to it. Okay. So we are going to use this glass, this line, and create thickness for it so that it looks like this. Okay, so we'll add thickness to it, and then we will look at why we need to do that. For example, if I add a revolve or a screw to this one, okay, this is what we did last class, and then I had added a depth to it. Like this. So what we'll do is we'll go here and turn on face orientation, and you can see that the face orientation for this glass is reversed. Anything that is blue is positive, anything that is red is negative. So if you render this glass, we will not get desirable results. We need everything to look blue. All right, and here you can see some things are blue and some things are red. So even if you reverse the face normals for this, it will not be clean. So to fix that, what we do is we'll remove this face normals, face orientation for now, and we will get rid of this depth, and then we'll delete this one, and we will modify this one. Let us look at the top view, why it is rotated like that. So we'll first make it minus 45 to be precise. Okay, so we'll go to edit mode and then go to side mode. Okay, edit mode. We'll select this one and then we'll hit the E key to extrude, and I'll place one next to it, E to extrude, and place one here, E to extrude, and place one here. Okay, same one, we'll do this, E, and then I'll place it here. Okay, so we see this origin, so this has to be at the origin. Then we need to simply make sure that the line curves. So let us keep it straight here. See if that works. This one, select this goes top, this one goes bottom, and then we'll try to create the same thickness which is there. So we'll try to have uniform thickness and spend some time. I'm not going to spend too much time because I'm just covering the tutorial, but I expect you guys to go through it and go like this. Spend some time modeling this. So this is the inside line. This is the down line. This is the inside line. So we can bring it up to make it round. Okay. So create a nice smooth shape and then make sure that this one follows the contours. Okay. So if you spend more time, you can get a better curve. Then this is aligning with this. And then the thickness can be a little different here. And then this one is again aligning with this. And then again we need to make this flat. Okay, so we get that one, and now we don't have any depth. We'll go to object mode, and then we'll go to screw modifier. Okay, so steps 32 at 16. If you go to object, shade smooth, yeah, I think 32 looks better. Then make sure everything goes to the render also, so you get desirable results. Now let us look at wireframe. Okay, and then this one, edit mode. Now once you add this edit mode, you can create a better curve there. Then you can try to match this one. Okay, so it takes some time practice to get that curve right, get that inner look right. And then you need to use the merge tool to merge it, and then to demonstrate the merge, for example, if I move this out, you see how it opens up, and then if you go close, at one point it will snap, so that means it is merged. Okay, so you have to make sure that the number is not very big, because if the number is big, it's going to merge and get rid of that. Alright, so it has to be big enough to big enough to merge the closed vertices. So there is one vertex here and one vertex here which needs to be merged. Okay, and that's about it. And then if you look at face orientation, it is reversed. So if you go to normals, you can flip it. Alright, so that's important. You find the normals in the modify panel, and then you flip the normals so that the glass is blue. So when you render it, it will give you more desirable results. So that's about it for the glass modeling tutorial. See you in next class. Bye bye.